Welcome to my fetching art channel. Use shorter lines for details in shadow and longer smoother lines for area in light. Build depth by layering thin lines for background elements and thicker lines for foreground objects. Horizon line. Establish a horizon line opposite your landscape element. Draw a small plants. Use covering lines to create the illusion of reading. Trees and mountains have flowing organic lines while buildings and fences use straighter geometric lines. This creates an amazing road. Thicker lines create a sense of weight and solidity, while thinner lines suggest lightness and distance. Draw a tree that looks an amazing texture. After that, draw another tree. Short subscriber. You create an amazing look. Erase the create and rough texture, while long parallel lines suggest a smooth surface. Pay attention to the spaces between objects. They can be just as important as the object themselves. Use a darker line